Hey, October 9th, Wednesday, 2024. We're going to do another little video. We're going to change this battery out. It's still cranking and doing fine, but going into the winter, I'm not going to chance it. This is a Napa Legend. It's 5 years old, 5.5 years old. We got a new Napa Legend. We're going to go ahead and swap it out. We're going to put this one on the charger, make sure it's at a full charge, and we'll use this in one of the Jeeps up there. So let's go ahead and swap this out. Now see, I've changed these posts over to studs, which gives us much more flexibility to add on power wires for all of our stuff. So we've added one already for our off-road lights. We've got more off-road lights and other stuff that we're going to power, and we're also going to tie in the two RV batteries. We've got a regulator that will keep it charged keep those two batteries charged as we go down the road off of the engine, but we've got to install that, and we need about 40 feet of number 4 cable to do that. Okay, when changing the battery out and you've switched these side posts over to these studs here, you need a 1/2 inch and a 16 millimeter. Yeah, I know, but that's what it is. And use a 1/2 inch to get the nut off down there so that, you know, the battery lock or battery anchor. I always take the positive off first, then the negative, and go back the same way, negative, then with the positive. So let's go ahead and put that positive back on. We'll have this back together. We have got our battery over here set up with our charger. We don't have it turned on yet. For these side post things, I have bought these two side post terminals, and they are marked positive and negative. So we're going to screw them in real tight. We will connect the battery charger to it, and it should be, you know, pretty charged. This van should keep it pretty charged, but we want to make sure it's at full charge, topped off, before we stick it in one of those Jeeps up there. So let's finish this up. We'll put the battery on charge. We'll get this one up, because this one will be a quicker, I think, one to upload than the oil change video. Hopefully we got that oil change, that oil leak video, I mean. Hopefully we got that oil leak fixed. But okay, let's get this squared away, and we'll finish this one up when we get that battery connected. Well, I just didn't give the battery charger long enough to diagnose and check it out. Now it's showing about 80% full, and it's charging at 8.1 amps. So it'll top it off, it'll be good. And hopefully it'll work out to be a good battery for the Jeeps going through the winter, hopefully. One of the Jeeps. Now we got to fix some dinner. I'm hungry. We're going to air fry something. That air fryer's worked real good. We've been using it a good bit.